So how's it going, everyone? Now today was almost an exact repeat of my trades from Thursday because the ES came down to 4100 and bounced, and I took the demand bounce and I got a nice move to the upside. And today I traded 5 micro contracts instead of just like 2 because I know if I want to pass this challenge I have to get some bigger wins. So I sized up a little bit and it did end up working out today. I made a little bit more, it's still not a ton. And yeah, it was just a one and done day once again, and I got it recorded live so you guys can see it. So enjoy the live trading.
Order
I'm
filled.
long here.
Order submitted.
We're holding 4100 once again. And the NASDAQ is also holding a key level 13,000. Here we go.
Order filled.
I'm selling 2 there.
Order canceled.
So now I got 3. I'm going to keep my stop at right around here.
Order
Just want to
submitted.
lock in a little bit, and that's a sharp move to the downside. Yeah, I think we're going down. This could be a higher low though, so the NASDAQ just broke right through 13,000.
Order filled.
Taking off one more.
Order
Now we
canceled.
got 2.
Order submitted.
Okay, that's a scary candle, so I'm moving my stop to this swing low. And it might get hit right here, so we'll see. But otherwise, yeah, that was a decent trade.
Order filled.
And there we go. Again, that was a very long trade. So yeah, I did trail my stop a bit. Now, this might continue slow grinding and we might get up to the 20s today. So maybe I did miss out on a little profit, but I'll take 150. Yeah, that was still a decent profit. So now to break down this trade. Now here we have the ES once again. Now this is the 1 minute time frame, but I'm going to zoom out to the 15 minute to show you why I have this zone down here. And this is the same exact zone from last Thursday, because you can see that's exactly where we bounced once again. Last Thursday I went long off 4100, got a nice bottom wick and a nice move to the upside. And today that's pretty much exactly what happened again. Right after the open we moved down to 4100, bottom wicked off of it. It chopped around for a little bit, but then it started to make higher highs and higher lows, and I got a nice move to the upside. So now I'm going to break it down to the 1 minute to show you where exactly I got in the trade. So yeah, I really almost could not have a better entry. We made the move down to 4100, started to bottom wick a few candles off of it, and I like that we broke below it. We went down to like the 99s and then reclaimed 4100, and then this is where I went long right here with five micro contracts, and I had my stop right around the 97 area just to give it a little bit of wiggle room. And then pretty quickly I got a move in my favor, and I really thought it was going to be off to the races. I thought it was going to be straight up from here, but the market was low volume off the open, so I had to be a little patient. And when this double top formed and this big red candle formed, honestly I got a little nervous and I took 2 contracts off here. So that was my first scale out. Then I kept my stop loss down at the 97s on my last 3. And then we had a perfect, like, textbook double bottom, bounced off 4100 again, and then it was up near VWAP when we started to reject. I took off another 1 contract, I believe. Let me check that just to be sure. Yeah, I took off 2 here, took off 1 there, and then took off the last 2 contracts there. And then I held through another higher low. And then once we started chopping around up here and we started to reject the VWAP again, and we put in some pretty big red candles, I moved my stop up to the 4108 level because I really did not want to see the market go all the way back down to my entry point, and then I could potentially go negative on the trade. So I moved it up to here. My stop was hit, and then I was out of the trade after over an hour of holding it. Now I think it was a decent exit because it was low volume, and I could have held for this trend lines. That is, I did have this drawn out on my NinjaTrader, and you can see we held the trend line perfectly and then made a new high of day. So I could have held for that bounce, but I decided that it was not worth the risk. And you can see later on in the day we had a little sell-off back down to 4100, and then a very strong recovery, and we actually got above 4120. So we'll see what happens next. But anyway, now I want to show you the balance of my Apex Trader funding account. You can see we're up 150 on the day, which is nice. Better than just a $50 win or whatever. Nothing crazy, but that's still decent. So now we're sitting at 24,830. So yeah, we still are down on the challenge, and I believe we only have until Friday to complete it, which is why, I'm trying to size up a little more. I don't want to trade mini contracts because I think that's over leveraged. I don't think I need to trade minis with this account. I probably could, given that the market is pretty low volume right now, but I don't know. Maybe I'll go for like 8 micros the rest of the week. It depends on how good of setups there is. So, and yeah, if I go over to my Webull account, it's literally the exact same at 436. I have not been trading options lately. I've been so focused on futures, and I'm really trying to pass my prop firm account. So, it's whatever. I'm not too worried about this account. I've considered taking out like half the money and just using it for more of the funded account challenges. I might end up doing that. We'll see. Because honestly, I like trading futures more right now. So yeah, that's just what I'm doing for now. So yeah, that's all I got for you guys today. I hope you're enjoying the futures videos, and if you are, let me know in the comments. I would appreciate some feedback, or if you have any advice for me as a trader, I would love to read it and reply to you. So yeah, I'm excited to see what the rest of the week brings. So thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.